Okay, hello everybody, and today our group is going to present on laser. Okay, what is a laser? A laser is basically a device that emits light through a process called stimulated emission. And basically a laser is a device that produces light and amplifies it. The term laser is an acronym for L, which is laser, A, amplification, S, stimulated, E, emission, and R, radiation. So all of them add up together is called light amplification, but stimulated emission or radiation. Okay, basically what are the properties of light? Laser light is monochromatic. It has a single wavelength. However, some emit light with a broad spectrum, while others emit light at multiple distant wavelengths simultaneously. The other one is directional. The divergence of beam produced is small, thus the beam stays narrow over a long distance. Last one is coherent. The photons emitted have the same frequency and phase. Now I'll be talking about some of the laser hazards. Due to the characteristics of a laser beam, it can easily exceed the brightness of the sun. Some hazards that may occur include retinal or corneal burns, skin burns, electrical hazards from high voltage equipment. So you must beware of these hazards and take safety precautions. Okay, now I'm going to show you some classes of laser. Basically, class 1 lasers are laser printers. They are low power devices, and exposure will not cause any injury, and no safety requirements are needed. Class 2 lasers are basically visible lasers, and for example barcode scanner. They are low power visible devices, and they do not present a hazard normally because of normal human aversion. However, do not view it directly, point to someone's eyes or view it with telescopic devices, and take safety precautions when used. Okay, class 3A lasers, and one of the example is laser rangefinder, and they are intermediate power devices and can possibly cause damage to the eye, so take precautions when used. And lastly, and second last, class 3B lasers, and they are lasers for concert and shows. They too are intermediate power devices, and direct viewing can cause damage to the eye. And proper eye protections must be used when in a laser controlled area. And the last one, class 4 lasers. They are lasers that is used for surgery, tattoo removal, marking, engraving, drilling, cutting, and welding. They are high power devices, and direct viewing and diffuse reflections can cause damage to the eye and the skin, and potential fire hazards might happen. Now I'm going to show some applications of lasers. First is used in science. For example, in